Here are 10 of the largest birds in the world, including their origins, sizes, diets, hunting or feeding methods, and flight or habitat preferences. The ostrich stands as the largest bird in the world. It originates from Africa and can be as tall as 9 feet and weighs 145 kilograms or 320 pounds. Ostrich are omnivores and eat foods such as seeds, grasses, insects, and small animals. They hunt by foraging on ground and also pecking on plants and insects. They are flightless and live on land in savannas, deserts, and open woodlands. Next is the emu bird, which originates from Australia. It can stand as tall as 6.2 feet and weigh up to 60 kilograms or 132 pounds. They are omnivorous and eat seeds, fruits, flowers, and small insects. They hunt by grazing on vegetation and pecking at insects on the ground. The emu are flightless birds and live in the grasslands, forests, and savannas. Next is the southern cassowary bird breed. These breed of birds originate from Australia, New Guinea, and nearby islands. They can stand up to 6 feet tall and weigh up to 70 kilograms or 154 pounds. The southern cassowary bird are primarily frugivorous and eats fruits, fungi, small animals, and insects. They hunt by foraging on fallen fruits and small animals on the ground. They are flightless birds and live in tropical rainforests. Northern cassowary birds are the next and are very large in size. They originate from New Guinea and northern Australia. The bird breeds stand as high as 5.6 feet tall and weigh up to 58 kilos or 128 pounds. The northern cassowary birds feed on fruits, fungi, small vertebrates, and invertebrates. They mainly forage on the forest floor, eating fruits and small prey. These breed of birds are flightless and prefers dense rainforests. Number 5 are the greater rhea bird. This bird breed originate from South America, Argentina, Brazil, Uruguay. They measure up to 5 feet tall and weigh up to 40 kilo or 88 pounds. Greater rhea birds are omnivorous. They feed on plants, seeds, fruits, and small animals like insects and lizards. They hunt by grazing and foraging on the ground for food. These birds are flightless and inhabit open grasslands, savannas, and wetlands. Cory-bustard breed of bird are the next in line of large birds. Cory-bustard originate from southern Africa. They are 4 feet tall. They have wingspan up to 2.75 meters, 9 feet, and weigh up to 19 kilos or 42 pounds. Cory-bustard are omnivorous and eat insects, small vertebrates, seeds, and berries. They hunt by walking on land, hunting insects and small animals, and picking up seeds and fruits from the ground. These birds are capable of flight but prefers to walk. They live in grasslands and savannas. Wandering albatross are another large breed of birds. These birds originate from southern ocean and sub-Antarctic regions. They are about 4 feet tall and have a wingspan up to 3.5 meters or 11.5 feet and weigh up to 12 kilos or 26 pounds. These birds are carnivorous and feed on fish, squid, and crustaceans. Wandering albatross hunt by skimming on the ocean surface, catching prey with its beak, and also scavenging. They fly over the ocean for months at a time, rarely landing except to breed. Next largest birds are the Dalmatian pelican breed. They originate from southeastern Europe, Asia, and parts of China. Their wingspan spreads up to 3.2 meters or 10.5 feet and weigh up to 15 kilos. Some of these breeds can grow up to 5 feet 9 inches. They feed primarily on fish and usually hunt by diving into the water and scooping up fish using its large bill and throat pouch. This breed of bird fly at low to medium altitudes over water and prefers wetlands, lakes, and rivers. The Andean condor birds are the next largest breed of birds. They originate from Andes Mountains in South America. Their wingspan is up to 10.8 feet and the birds weigh up to 15 kilos or 33 pounds. They scavenge by feeding on dead animals and can soar at high altitudes to spot carcasses from afar. The Andean condor birds fly at altitudes of up to 5,500 meters, 18,000 feet, roosts on high cliffs. Lastly, we will look at the mute swan. They originate from Europe and Asia, but are now widespread in North America. Their wingspan measures up to 2.4 meters or 7.9 feet and weigh up to 15 kilos or 33 pounds. They can also reach up 4 feet in height. These birds are herbivorous and eat aquatic plants, algae, and small invertebrates. They hunt by dipping their head underwater to forage for plants, occasionally eat small aquatic animals. The mute swan flies at low altitudes, often near water, lives on lakes, rivers, and coastal areas. These birds are impressive in size and show a range of adaptations, from flightless runners like the ostrich to powerful soaring scavengers like the Andean condor. Some of these birds are bigger and taller than an average man. These are the wonders of nature. Thank you for visiting my channel today, and tell me what you think of the stunning height of some of these birds.